Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to be setting up my aesthetic Pinterest inspired workspace or business studio. So I'll be launching my brand next month and I needed a visually appealing space to create content. And pardon me guys, my room have been a mess, so I just really needed to change my sheets. And I've been waiting for my package to arrive for like a month now, and today I got a call that it was literally at my doorstep. I literally jumped up with excitement, super excited. So guys, if you're not too busy, let us unbox together. And pardon me, I had already turned the nylon before I remembered that I had not filmed the process. I have always wanted to start my own brand, my own business that I could literally call mine. I feel for the longest I could remember, I kept on doing a lot of business I really didn't like. So this year, I literally told myself that it's either I start my brand or I start my brand, honestly. I literally just picked a day on my calendar, certainly launch my brand. I'm not really concerned if I'm not fully ready. I just really think it's time I put myself out there. So guys, this was literally the motivation into starting up my brand. I will be talking about my brand in subsequent videos, but this is just me charging you that if you literally have something that you really can't stop thinking about, if you really want to do something, then you should literally go out there and do it. You should strategize. You should literally put in the effort to really get yourself out there. I really just got to a point in my life where I knew that I am really done doing things that I do not love. I know I'm very versatile, but I really just wanted to secure my passion into something that I can literally earn from, something that I could also help other people to become better. I think that's really the drive of me starting my business and literally trying to put out content out there. Also super excited for creating my new business space slash workspace. I've always been the Pinterest girly. I've always loved Pinterest aesthetics, Pinterest workspace ideas, but I really know how the mental capacity to fathom the kind of aesthetic I really want to put out there because of should I say financial constraint. But this year I literally told myself, fuck it, like we are literally going to put ourselves out there. We're not going to think about how we're going to do it. We are literally just going to do it. I think a lot of people think about how to do something too much that they actually do not do the thing. So I told myself that, okay, where do I start from? And this is literally my motivation into creating my space. And honestly, I think I have to do a room tour. My room is looking a bit more beautiful and I'm very excited. So maybe in subsequent video I'm gonna do a room tour for you guys. And I really love my space, guys. I really love my new workspace. It really motivates me to do more. And without wasting more time, let's get straight into arranging my new space.